Hi everyone, this is Margarita with CityGal Papeterie. I am going to be showing you guys what is going to be in the giveaway prize, and we're going to be picking that winner today in this video. My son is going to be helping me with that, so he's here with me. So first, this is what's going to be in the prize. This is a cleaning chamois. I have one. I use it with my stamps. It comes pre-moistened, but obviously you can wet it with water anytime it gets dry and it will clean your stamps very well. I don't know if you can clean this with soap. I would look that up. I did purchase this as a pack, a multi-pack on Amazon, if anyone is interested in purchasing it. But that is going to be something that is in the prize. I have also gotten a pattern paper color, what's that? A pattern paper pad in 5.5 by 7.5. There's also this pack of cards and envelopes. There are 25 in here, and they are A2 size. The cardstock is 65-pound weight, so those are good for making cards. And then you'll also be getting this little pouch, which I decorated myself, and it's holding a bunch of goodies here. Here are some 3D stickers, a stamp set, another stamp set, some die cuts. This is a die that I had a double of. Here's some other dies that I got on Amazon. I'm also going to be getting the same set for myself because they're so adorable. They are buttons. Some washi. Here's another washi. And an acrylic stamping block, since you guys got so many stamps here. There's also going to be one of these rubber stamp sets included. I think if you saw the giveaway video, it refers you to another video where I create these, and you could choose one for your prize, okay? Whichever number set you had chosen is going to be included in the prize. Come here, babe. So there weren't many entries. This is really everything, and so I'm gonna just be mixing them up. They're all cut into strips, and I'm gonna be putting them, give me this, inside of this cone. Just tossing them in there, and my son is gonna pick one out. So come, reach your hand in there and pick one out. Only one, okay? You got a bunch of them in there. Pick just one. Alright, let's see who won. This says Kelly's Cards FL, and so this is going to be the winner. So Kelly's Cards, I will be in touch. Make sure you send me an email, but I will include below in the description exactly how to get in touch with me so that I can send all of these goodies to you. So congratulations, Kelly's Cards FL. I'm assuming that means Florida. Maybe not. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, I hope you enjoy all of these goodies. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I am so appreciative and grateful to each and every one of you. I'm so happy that you're here with me and that you take some time out of your day to watch my videos. I hope you find them helpful. I hope you find them entertaining, and I hope that you do enjoy the content that I am able to provide. So I hope to see you guys again in the next one. Take care.